Hello.
Hello.
Okay, first we will like to introduce ourselves first. And my name is Lim Li Heng.
My name is Liu Ying.
My name is Ahmed.
My name is Akhmadjon Karimov.
My name is Voon.
And my name is Rafael.
Okay, so we are from group
15.
LAX 2009
Language
art. So our first video is talk about the cards that we designed it. So I will talk about my card first, and this is my card. Look like envelope, and the content is there is nothing either good or bad, but thinking makes it so. That means there are nothing good or bad, but it is very important on what you are thinking of. So your mind is very important. So there are no good standard beyond what you are thinking of. So this is my card. Okay, so the next one is Liu Ying.
Okay. My card is like this. Okay. The quote is be willing to be a beginner every single morning. It means we need to start every day with a positive mind, and every day is a new chance for us to be a better self. Then we can start every day with each new sunrise and be willing to learn something new. And you can see the first page of my card is content of black color words writing font and the yellow highlight. Yellow means sunrise. Then inside the card is like this. Is actually a pop-up card, and inside I got a few colors contained in the flowers. Then flowers also like give people hope. So every day will be a happy day, and they will have a new day start with happy mood. Okay.
Okay, I will talk about my card, which is this one. The meaning is the only way to get better is to surround yourself with people who believe in you. That means if you want to get better, you should go with people who encourage you and support you to achieve your goals, and give you a positive advices and whatever. So, and also to avoid negativity and negative people. So, I choose this one because so many people are suffering from they don't know how to do when they get in troubles. So they have no good friends or something like that. So I choose the green color, the green card. For the background is the red card. I them it together, and I choose the red colors to design my paper. So yeah, this is my card.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, so the next one.
Okay. The card I chose is this one. I don't know whether you can see it or not. It's quite simple because I mean the main thing I focused on was the content in it. I mean, okay. The content in here is this: a pessimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity, and an optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty, by Winston Churchill. This thing is really powerful, and I chose it because, I mean, okay, let's take an example. For example, like, let's say you want to be rich, right? A pessimist, what do? Is they only think about negative stuff. They think about what can't be done. Like, even if they see the opportunity, for example, they want to make more money, let's say, they're like, no, I can't do this because, you know, what if this happens? What if that? What if that? What if that? There's so many what ifs that at the end they procrastinate and nothing gets done. And I mean, okay, and the other one, an optimist is the opportunity in every difficulty. Yeah, because that optimist is always thinking positive. Like, okay, if I see the opportunity, you know, they just go and they grab it. Whether they can do it or not, that's the second thing. Because like, main thing if you wanna like really accomplish something is you aim. Okay, like for example in bowling, in bowling, you pull the trigger. You
Hold the rope.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then-
You first pull it until the end. You aim and then you fire. But like in business, that's not how it's done. First you do the stretching of the bow. You fire and then you aim. So it's like whatever opportunity you get. You know, optimist people they just grab it, and whether it works out or not, that's a different thing. So, and yeah, I mean the color I chose was just white background to make it simple, but you know, like exactly to the point. So, yeah, that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, good afternoon. And today I would like to present my card is sometimes when we been helped by someone as a normal humankind, we will have a feeling of grateful. So today I come with a thank you card.
Oh, okay, that's simple. Just thank you.
And the card is I chose is red color because thankfulness is always come from heart. So I chose red color. And inside is like this. Here is the quote said, sometimes the simplest things means the most. Like the people help us, for them this is a simple act, it's a small act, but for us it's very meaningful. So I chose this quote is, I think it's very suitable for thankful card lah. And that's all for me.
Okay, so I'm the last one. So by the way, this is my card. I think this is a postcard because there is the same size with the postcard, although there's no address or a stamp. But yeah, it's a postcard anyway. So this is my card, and this is the writing here. You can see it calls, after a storm comes a calm, and under the idiom or the proverb here, you can see the explanation of this idiom. Every chaos will return into its peace state. So what this writing means that, you know, you probably have a problem, you have a trouble, or yeah, you can call a problem that big enough, then probably you will be panic or you will be stressed. But you have to think that after all of that chaos, everything will go down to its basic form. What I mean that although you probably have a panic moment, but you have to realize that that thing will not be for a long time. Eventually it will go down, and then with hope you can finally go on with your life again, something like that. Okay, so for the card itself, I think I'm the only one here who print out my card using yeah, because I designed it using Photoshop. And then yeah, I think I usually design everything using computers, so it's a pretty, I don't know, just yeah. It's I usually do something like this. Okay, and then I choose the background. You can see this is a background of a storm, yeah, a storm, but not just a storm, because in here, okay, so in here you can see a storm, like a black cloud, a dark cloud, but the other side you can see something lighter, probably like a ray of the sun. Yeah, I think it's pretty much symbolic enough, because after the storm and after that there are golden sky. Yeah,
or something to give you a hope.
Yeah, of course. And of course, I think there is one one interpretation of these writings. I think like although that I mean, like, everyone here have a problem, and also one thing that you have to take on your mind, that you don't have to, or you must not be panic every problem that you face, because if you panic, I mean, like if you have a problem and then you just suddenly go panic, I think that will just make your problem even worse. Yeah.
That means if you face the obstacles or difficulties and then you just stay calm and just try to overcome it.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Something like that. Okay, I think that's it for my card.
Sorry, just now I forget to mention my card about. Okay, who is the creator of this sentence? This quote is William Shakespeare. He is a very famous man until now, and he got many things can let us to learn and to know him. So, anything
Yeah.
to highlight or mention?
Probably who writes the writing.
I think the most important thing in this card is the quotes that have been written on the cards.
Yeah.
So the design is quite simple, but the meaning is very deep.
Important.
Yeah.
Can motivate people.
Mm.
Yeah, can motivate yourself when you feel sad or something else. So,
Notes.
anything?
So maybe we show again our card.
Yeah.
Okay, this is my card.
Okay.
Okay, this is my card, and inside is like this.
Yeah, that's very creative, you know. Okay.
This is
This is
Chon's card.
by Winston Churchill.
One thing's card.
And finally, this is my card. Okay.
So we are going to finish our first video.
Before this, let us like discuss and decide about next video. What are we going to do? Okay. Anyone have any idea?
I think we should do, because first video is about the card, right? So the next video maybe can be the bookmarks.
Oh, good
Can
idea.
or not?
Yeah, I think it's
Yeah, it's quite
pretty
simple,
easy.
but also can bring the big meaning to everyone, right?
Yeah.
And you can use it while we read our book. Then
Yeah.
when we stop at which page, then
Yeah.
put it.
It's very functional.
So
Yeah.
okay, our next video will talk about the bookmarks, and so that's all for today.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.